Hi, Milorad here. Today I'm going to Breckenridge Park that I did not visit for quite some time, and I have my Canon R7 with 100 to 400 millimeter lens that just came back from the tune-up that I sent to Canon. And I also have my 2x extender, and I'm ready to go to Breckenridge Park and take a picture of birds if I can find any. I'm here on location in Breckenridge Park, and I'm very surprised. There's lots of cars on this parking lot. It's almost full. Means there's lots of people inside of the park. It's middle of December, but weather is very nice, sunny, about probably middle of 60s, and that's why there are lots of people in the park. And I hope there's some birds as well that I can take pictures of. Let's go into the park. And very strange things is happening in this park. There's some people playing, they call it frisbee golf or golf frisbee. They throwing frisbee in some kind of net on the post. New sport. And you guys don't keep the score or something? Just walking around and throwing frisbee?
It's just like ball golf.
Okay.
With frisbees.
Okay. Ooh, look at that. He scored. Woo! Well, maybe I was wrong. There's dozens of people walking in the park with their frisbee golf, pull-up, or carts. I don't know how you call those things. And instead of golf clubs, they have bags with frisbees. And maybe I was wrong. Maybe there's really something in it. Wow, you have even marked holes and everything. Wow.
Joe, Chris, Jesse, Jay, Tyler.
And that thing is all the way back there?
Yes, sir.
And what's the name of that thing, post?
Basket.
Basket. Okay.
Basket.
Okay, good. Woo! Wow, actually that is good.
Good, bro.
Yeah.
Had a lot. In fact, that's like my regular shot. I'd be happy.
What's back, man? Nope.
Yep.
All right, here's the superstar.
Now let's see. Michael Jordan, yes.
MJ. Michael Jordan.
MJ,
Michael
get that.
Jordan.
MJ, get that. Yeah.
MJ of golf. I mean,
Golf J. Golf J.
Oh.
Would it be the Tiger Woods of
Well, you
disc
gotta
golf?
take the good with the bad, Joe.
Yeah. Would it be the Tiger Woods of disc golf?
Yeah, I think so.
Just on the verge of alcohol.
That's why I always call him Macbeth. Who call Macbeth? Oh, the Tiger Woods of disc golf.
Tiger Woods disco. Tiger Woods, Joe.
woo, that was a good one.
Yes, sir. Good shit. Hey, that disc flies pretty good, man.
Yeah, I don't have a good enough technique to throw it for though. Like it's not hard, but it goes. I don't know. That's good. I gotta take my.
Oh, son!
I went too low.
That's what it was. It was the camera.
You hate to see it happen.
Good thinking, but yeah, that was really good. Thank you, you two guys. Have fun. Okay, look at this sign. We have Breckenridge Park Disc Golf Course, Hole 14, Par 3, distance 430 feet, out of bounds on or beyond sidewalk left. Okay. Are you guys keeping a score?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm winning.
Of course.
He's cheating though. He did say he was a +3, and then all of a sudden he's like, no, I'm +1 now.
I'm even, what?
But I don't see you writing down
We'll keep it up here.
in the head.
Yeah.
Oh,
We used to
Makes
keep it on
cheating
the,
easier.
We used to do it on the app, but it
Yeah.
takes a while. We just kind of like rush it through because we want to go see the game, Cowboy game afterwards.
yeah.
How you doing today?
Doing good. I came to take pictures of birds and then I saw some strange things going on here.
Disc golf. It's like a new
Disc
thing.
golf.
No, that's bad. That's camera.
And now you need to wait for those guys kind of to clear.
Yeah.
They got a big group
Yeah.
all day long. Out here bird watching, huh? Out of bounds, beyond sidewalk or left. I think we'll be fine with that.
I saw a big old white
What that means?
something earlier.
Yeah.
It was way over here, so I don't think we're worried. Like if you go on the other side, it's out of bounds of that sidewalk.
And
Or
yeah, but what that means? Do you get penalty or something?
yeah,
Yeah?
one stroke, one shot, 1 point extra.
It's like bogey, whatever the name is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Making it par, it would be a bogey with the penalty.
Okay. Okay.
Marquez?
Take a picture of that bird, bro.
Where is the bird?
The hawk.
Oh, because you got that camera.
Way too far.
Marcus, stop, dude.
Yeah.
Not for me.
When they put the moon in.
Now we have addition to this sign of location. Now you have caution, watch for flying discs. Okay, this park just became a little bit more dangerous. There's lots of water on that little post
Oh, past it?
with the net, with that thing, whatever you call it.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of water over there.
Yeah, you cannot actually come close.
Oh, it's okay. I got waterproof shoes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you go it super high, it's not. There you go. See how under table it is?
That's not a bad shot.
It's okay. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Okay, looks like this park does not belong to birders anymore. And there's new sheriffs in town, in the park. Disc golfers. I'm coming close to this only pond in the park, and I see some birds in the water that I never saw before, and I think they are ring-billed gulls, and I see some cormorants, I think, and there's a couple, well, two couples of Canadian geese on this side, and there's another little flock right here, and I think there's also some mallards as well. And let's go and see how close I can come and take some pictures. Wow, look at those cormorants. They are flying. I need to take pictures of them in the flight if it's possible. It's a good crisp day. Hope I can take some good pictures. Look at this one. Wow. Oh, I'm missing all these shots. Let's go and take some pictures. Today's shoot is over. I have kind of mixed feeling. This new craze about disc golf just took over this park. There's lots of people playing that new thing. Looks like they gained this park for themselves, and but it's kind of gain for them. It's, I hope not, but I think it is loss for birders. I couldn't find very many birds to photograph. I have some, but those usually birds I don't see them here very often. There are some ring-billed gulls and cormorants on the pond, but no small birds. In that little tributary creek, it's kind of they build a little crossing path through that little tributary that we used to have lots of birds in and take fantastic pictures of those birds. I hope birding is not lost in this park. I'm heading home, and I will not be back in this park until probably somewhere in spring. Until then, let's go home and start editing lots of those previously taken videos and photos. Until next outing to this Breckenridge Park, thank you very much for watching. Milorad out.